Today, we're diving into the best Raiz Invest referral hacks that can help you maximize your earnings efficiently. Raiz Invest offers a seamless platform for micro-investing, and their referral program is one of the most lucrative ways to boost your portfolio without extra capital. By using the right strategies, you can consistently earn referral bonuses in dollars while helping others start their investment journey. The first strategy is to leverage your existing social networks. Friends, family, and colleagues who are curious about investing are often your best audience. Sharing your referral link directly with them increases the likelihood of signups because it comes from a trusted source. Personalizing your message to highlight the benefits of Raiz Invest, such as automated investing, portfolio growth, and low fees, can improve conversion rates significantly. Next, consider online communities and niche groups. Platforms like Facebook, Reddit, and investment-focused forums are full of people actively seeking tools to grow their wealth. Sharing your referral link in these spaces, along with clear explanations of how Raiz Invest works and the referral bonus they can receive, is a highly effective approach. Consistency is key. Posting informative content around investing, even short posts about your own experience with Raiz Invest, naturally encourages clicks on your referral link. Another high-impact hack is using content creation platforms. Short videos, tweets, or posts that highlight the referral bonus in dollars grab attention quickly. Visual demonstrations of the sign-up process or showing the bonus credited to your account build trust and credibility, prompting more people to use your link. Finally, combining these strategies amplifies results. Using social networks, online communities, and content platforms together ensures maximum exposure. Each sign-up through your link directly contributes to your earnings in dollars, steadily growing your income without additional investment from you. Raiz Invest referral hacks work best when applied consistently and transparently, creating value for both you and the people you refer.